In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow on Substack. If you're looking to clean up your Substack feed or just reduce the amount of content you receive, then this guide is perfect for you. We'll go through each step to ensure you can easily manage who you follow, tailoring your content to fit your preferences. Let's dive in and simplify your reading experience. First, you need to navigate to your Substack home. This is your central hub on the platform where you can access all the features and settings you need to customize your experience. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and you'll see your profile. Go ahead and click on it. This section holds all your account options and your personal settings. Next, you'll want to select the option that says View Profile. By clicking on this, you're opening up a detailed view of your presence on Substack. This includes everything from who you're following to who is following you. Once you're in your profile, look for the section titled Subscribers. This area is important because it showcases both your following list and your followers. To access the specific list of people or publications you follow, click on the Following tab. Now comes the main step, which is identifying the user or writer you want to unfollow. Go through your list carefully, especially if you have a lot of subscriptions. This can be quite rewarding as you focus on those you truly want to follow. After you've identified the person or publication you wish to unfollow, look towards the right side of their name or profile information. You'll see a button labelled Following. This button signifies your current status as a follower of that account. To unfollow, just click that button and it will switch to reflect that you are no longer following them. This action is immediate and your feed will adjust accordingly to reflect this change. And there you go. You've just streamlined your Substack and ensured that the content you receive aligns more closely with your interests. Remember, this process can be repeated anytime you feel the need to update your subscriptions. It's a fantastic way to keep your reading list fresh and engaging. Thank you for joining us today. By taking these simple steps, you can easily manage your Substack subscriptions and curate content that you truly enjoy. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.